Hey guys, it's me, Jessica De Leon, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. But anyway, I have some shoes here that I wanted to show y'all. So if you're interested in seeing the shoes that I got, which you should know by the title, of course, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've got some really cute, really kind of edgy type Converse today. Edgier take on the Converse high top. I really was on the fence about these when I first saw them. I was like, I liked them, but I just wasn't sure. You know what I mean? If I could incorporate them into my wardrobe and into my look and my aesthetic. I kept imagining them with different outfits, and I was like, oh yeah, these are gonna be super fly with like a whole lot of things. So I had to get them. So I am going to be unboxing the Converse Run Star Hikes in black. So yeah, let's get to it. I've got the shoes right here in black, and this is the box, guys. Just another plain Converse box. You guys watched my last Converse video where I unboxed the white platforms. They come in the exact same kind of box, just a kind of off black, dark gray matte box. That's pretty much it all the way around. Here is a little bit of details about the shoe. So these have a really nice little picture with the shoe on it, and there are 6.5 men's and an 8 women, so they always put what the correlating size would be for either the men's or the women's on the box. Really excited to wear these. Like I said, these are kind of an edgier take on the Converse high top. Can't wait. So yeah, this is kind of a package on the inside if anybody cares. Just your standard paper they put around it. And yeah, that is super cute. My gosh, I love this lug sole that they've put on here. I love the contrast of like the kind of caramel colored lug sole in the front, and then the black one in the back, and the white in the middle, and then the black. Still can wear with a lot of things if you want to do like a monotone outfit. I love the little star in the back. Just a lot of cute little details on this shoe, guys. Like, it's super cute. And as per usual, it has the Converse logo on the inside, which if you guys saw my last video, you'll see that I didn't realize that until that last video, that the Converse symbol was on the inside and not the outside. And for some reason in my head, I always thought it was on the outside. Weight wise, it's not super heavy, and you would think because of this sole and the lug part it would be a little bit heavier, but it's actually not. It's actually fairly light. It's definitely heavier than the regular high tops. That extra bit of sole makes them a little bit heavier. And here's a good look at the bottom. Yeah, and then it just has Converse right there. And here, I'll just go ahead and take out the right shoe, and I'll show you both side by side. So yeah, this is the shoes side by side. Yeah, anyways, guys, those are the shoes. Super cute. Can't wait to wear these. I don't know how rare these are, so I don't know if these are like hard to get your hands on or anything. I've never really tried to purchase these in the past to know whether or not they're difficult to get your hands on, because when I went to go buy them, they were available and they have them on several sites. So that I couldn't tell you. about their popularity. I don't know when they started to actually make these shoes, but I'll also put that on there as well, how long they've this has been a design. But I do know that they come in a ton of different colorways. I saw a bunch of different ones on Nordstrom's, so they do come in some really cute different colors. I really just wanted a black pair of Converse, and I didn't want to get the platforms. I wanted something different because I've already had the platform. I didn't really like the black platforms the way I like the white platforms, so that's why I thought I'd get something a little bit different. So yeah, guys, that is the shoe. But anyways, let me try these on for you, and I will show you what they look like on. That is the Run Star Hikes in black. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. So I love you guys, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next one. Mwah.